The European Union lacks affordable solutions for the surveillance of critical infrastructures that spread over large areas. A failure or threat at one critical point along the white zone can compromise the integrity of the involved installations. The consequences can severely impact citizens, society, and the environment. ZONeSEC is a 4-year integration project funded by the European Union that addresses the needs of white zone surveillance. More specifically, with new and legacy monitoring tools, we build a system of systems that detects illicit activities. Operators in control rooms have access to a unified interface that issues localized alerts as soon as a threat is detected. They can also visualize a digital representation of their critical infrastructure as well as where the surveillance equipment is installed.
I'm Natalie Kalfa from Attikes Diadromes, the end user organizing the ZONeSEC pilot today. Attikes Diadromes is the operator of Attiki Odos motorway, a 70-kilometer motorway in Athens, Greece. What we do here, what is our main contractual obligation, is traffic management and maintenance. Our main concern is the provision of safety in our users' travels, and as a result we have an extensive system of cameras and other systems that help us do this on a day-to-day basis. But apart from safety, another issue that is very significant to us is the provision of security of our infrastructure. So what we were looking for is a system that will allow us to have a greater surveillance of our white zone and the ability to understand what's going on in the adjacent white zones. What happened here today on our premises was a series of events that had to do with security breaches, such as people entering premises without being allowed to do so, cyber attacks, and as well as other traffic incidents that currently we are not able to detect.
So we are working on a module that deals with the detection of the sensors in order to make sense of those detections regarding the risks that the infrastructure can meet. The idea is to keep only the events that make sense in terms of risk and forget all of the detections that are irrelevant for the protection of the infrastructure.
Today I saw a lot of sensors and systems, and especially the integration of that systems to make it more easy for our traffic officers to do their job.
I'm here as an invited guest of the ZONeSEC project since we have very good common points. So with ZONeSEC, as for ZONeSEC, we deal with safety and security engineering activities, and here we have found a lot of good elements of collaboration. So we find people dealing with sensor analysis, risk assessment, security, safety, targeting, surveillance, maintenance.
My opinion on this program is it's a good example of integrating different sensors for a good interface for my end user.
With ZONeSEC, there are many types of sensors, and also the intelligence on top of that basically amalgamate all those informations. And I think that that's where you really have a value, because depending on the situation, some sensors will be better than others. The great thing is actually about having them all working together. And I think that that's what ZONeSEC brings.